Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Hostinger auto renewal. First thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger and you will be redirected to the Hostinger hPanel. This is the URL. And then what I want you to do is on the left hand side, click on billing, and then here you'll see subscriptions. Click on subscriptions and you will be redirected to this page. You'll see all your subscriptions. I have a subscription for business web hosting on Hostinger, and to go ahead and stop auto renewal, you'll see this toggle switch. Right now it's toggled on. Go ahead and toggle this one off, and then it will go ahead and initialize like this. So you just have to wait for this process to finish, and then it will go ahead and redirect you right here, as you can see. And then you just go ahead and click on it, and it will say turn off auto renewal. Then what will happen is after this expires, your website will go offline. These could stop as well. So if you're happy with that, click on turn off auto renewal and you are basically done. As you can see, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.